Listen to these two sentences. I work at the office. I am working at the office. They sound very similar, but they don't mean the same thing. One talks about your regular routine, and the other talks about what is happening right now.
The present continuous tense is one of the most useful tenses in everyday English. Native speakers use it all the time when they're talking about what's happening at this moment, temporary situations, and even future plans. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use it, and you'll stop making some of the most common English mistakes.
If you enjoy learning English through real conversations, easy grammar explanations, and speaking practice, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another English learner. Your support helps us create more free English lessons every week.
Now, here's today's quiz challenge. Which sentence is correct? A. She is cook dinner right now. B. She cooking dinner right now. C. She is cooking dinner right now. Take your guess, and don't worry if you're not sure. We'll reveal the answer near the end of the lesson.
Now let's meet Ria and Ryan. They're having a conversation, but they keep making lots of present continuous mistakes. Can you spot them before we explain the grammar?
Hi, Ryan. What you doing here?
Hi, Ria. I'm waiting for my cousin. She is arrive in a few minutes.
Really? I am come from the supermarket. It is rain outside.
Yes, it raining a lot today.
Good thing I have an umbrella. Why you are carrying so many bags?
Because I'm buying groceries for dinner. My parents is visiting me tonight.
That's nice. What you cooking?
I'm making pasta, I think. My sister helping me later.
She always helps you.
Yes. Right now, she driving to my apartment.
Oh, my friend calling me. Wait, she call again.
You should answer. She is probably worrying about you.
She says everyone waiting for us at the cafe.
Really? Why not knowing about that?
Maybe because you're not checking your messages.
Oops, you telling the truth.
Come on. Everyone is waiting. Let's go before they're getting angry.
Okay, I am follow you.
Hurry up. You're walking too slowly again.
Did you notice how many mistakes Ria and Ryan made? Don't worry. Those are some of the most common present continuous mistakes English learners make. Let's fix them together. The present continuous is one of the most useful tenses in English because we use it to talk about actions that are happening right now.
Imagine you're watching someone at this very moment. What are they doing? Maybe someone is reading, someone is driving, or someone is talking on the phone. These actions are happening right now. Listen to these examples. I am studying English right now. She is cooking dinner. Ryan is waiting for his cousin. Ria is talking on the phone. All of these actions are happening at this moment.
Let's fix one of Ryan's sentences. Ryan said, I'm waiting for my cousin. That isn't correct. The correct sentence is, I am waiting for my cousin. Don't forget the helping verb. Am, is, are. Another mistake was, she is arrive in a few minutes. The correct sentence is, she is arriving in a few minutes. Remember, after am, is, or are, the main verb needs ing.
The structure is simple. Subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing. Let's practice. I am reading. You are listening. He is working. She is driving. We are learning English. They are playing football. Every sentence follows the same pattern.
Sometimes an action isn't happening only this second, but it's temporary. For example, I'm staying with my grandparents this week. She's working from home this month. They're taking an English course this summer. These situations won't last forever. They're temporary. That's why we use the present continuous.
Sometimes an action isn't happening at the exact second you're speaking, but it's happening around this time. For example, I'm reading a really interesting book these days. Maybe you're not reading it this exact moment, but you're reading it these days. Another example, Ryan is learning to cook. He isn't cooking every second, but he's learning during this period of his life. Here are a few more examples. Ria is taking driving lessons. We're watching a new TV series this month. My brother is looking for a new job.
You'll often hear these words with the present continuous. Right now. At the moment. Currently. Today. This week. These days. Listen carefully. I'm working right now. She's studying at the moment. They're visiting us this weekend. We're painting the house this month. These expressions often tell you that the present continuous is the right choice.
Here's another useful use. We sometimes use the present continuous to talk about planned future events. For example, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. We're flying to Delhi next Friday. She's visiting her parents this weekend. These plans are already arranged, so the present continuous sounds very natural.
Let's quickly review. We use the present continuous for actions happening now, temporary situations, actions happening around now, planned future arrangements. And don't forget the structure. Subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing. Excellent! Now you know when to use the present continuous. But learners still make some very common mistakes. They forget am, is, are. They forget ing. And sometimes they even use the wrong tense. Let's fix all of those mistakes in the next section. Mistake 1. Forgetting am, is, or are. This is the most common mistake. Many learners remember the ing verb, but they forget the helping verb. Listen carefully. I'm waiting for my friend. I am waiting for my friend. She cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. They playing football. They are playing football. Always remember, the present continuous needs two parts. Am, is, are, plus verb ing. Never use the ing verb by itself.
Mistake 2. Forgetting ing. Sometimes learners remember am, is, or are, but they forget to change the verb. Listen to these. He is eat breakfast. He is eating breakfast. We are watch a movie. We are watching a movie. Ryan is drive to work. Ryan is driving to work. After am, is, or are, the verb must end in ing.
Mistake 3. Using the present continuous for daily habits. This mistake happens because learners confuse the present simple and the present continuous. Look at this example. I am drinking coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning. Why? Because every morning describes a habit. Habits use the present simple. Now compare it with this sentence. I am drinking coffee right now. Now the action is happening at this moment, so the present continuous is correct. A simple way to remember it is every day, usually present simple. Right now, usually present continuous.
Mistake 4. Using the present continuous with stative verbs. Here's another mistake that surprises many learners. Some verbs usually don't use the present continuous. These are called stative verbs. They describe feelings, thoughts, possession, or the senses. For example, I am knowing the answer. I know the answer. She is loving chocolate. She loves chocolate. We are believing you. We believe you. Some common stative verbs are know, love, like, believe, understand, want, need. Most of the time, these verbs use the present simple, not the present continuous. Mistake 5. Confusing present simple and present continuous. Let's compare a few pairs. Present simple. She works in a bank. This is her regular job. Present continuous. She is working in the bank today. This is happening now. Another pair. Ryan drives to work every day. Habit. Ryan is driving to work right now. Action happening now. Can you hear the difference? One is a routine, the other is happening at this moment. Here's an easy way to remember today's lesson. Present continuous equals now. Ask yourself,
Is the action happening right now? Is it temporary? Is it happening around this time? If the answer is yes, the present continuous is probably the right tense. And don't forget the formula. Subject plus am plus is plus are plus verb ing.
Excellent! You've learned the biggest mistakes, and now you're ready to hear the difference. Let's go back to Rhea and Ryan one more time. This time, they're using the present continuous correctly in a real-life conversation.
Hi, Ryan. What are you doing here?
Hi, Rhea. I'm waiting for my cousin. Her train is arriving in about 10 minutes.
Oh, that's nice. I'm coming from the supermarket. I'm buying everything I need for tonight's dinner.
I can see that. It's raining quite heavily today.
Yes, it is. Good thing I brought my umbrella.
You're always prepared.
I'm trying to be. What are you carrying in all those bags?
I'm buying groceries because my parents are visiting me tonight.
That sounds wonderful. What are you cooking?
I'm making creamy pasta, and my sister is helping me with dessert.
That sounds delicious. I'm sure they're going to love it.
Oh, my sister's calling me right now.
Go ahead. I'll wait.
She says she's driving to my apartment now and she's bringing the cake.
Perfect. Everything is coming together.
Yes! And my cousin is texting me. Her train is pulling into the station now.
I think I can see it. People are walking out already.
You're right. She's carrying a blue suitcase.
There she is. She's looking this way.
She's smiling because she finally sees me.
Well, you're standing in the middle of the entrance. It's hard to miss you.
You're right. Thanks for keeping me company while I was waiting.
You're welcome. Now, I'd better go. My family is waiting for me and dinner is starting soon.
Have a great evening.
You too. Enjoy your family dinner.
Great job! You've reached the end of today's lesson. Now, let's go back to today's quiz. The question was, which sentence is correct? A, she is cook dinner right now. B, she cooking dinner right now. C, she is cooking dinner right now. The correct answer is C, she is cooking dinner right now. Excellent work if you chose C. Why? Because the present continuous follows this simple pattern. Subject plus am plus is plus are plus verb plus ing. So, she plus is plus cooking. Perfect. Let's review today's lesson one more time. We use the present continuous for actions happening right now. I'm watching TV. Temporary situations. She's staying with her aunt this week. Actions happening around this time. They're learning English these days. Future arrangements. We're meeting our friends tomorrow evening. Now it's your turn. Let's do some shadowing practice. Repeat each sentence after us. Ready? I am learning English right now. She is cooking dinner. They are waiting for the bus. We are watching a movie. Ryan is talking on the phone. Rhea is carrying an umbrella because it's raining. Fantastic! The more you repeat, the more confident you'll become. Now, here's today's comment challenge. Write 2 sentences in the comments. 1 sentence about something you're doing right now. 1 sentence about your plans for later using the present continuous. For example, I'm watching this lesson right now. I'm meeting my friend this evening. We can't wait to read your answers. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
And don't forget to share this video with another English learner. Your support helps our channel grow and allows us to create more free lessons every week. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking English every single day.